I'm Patricia Tyrrell and this is my plant lover's garden.
Think a plant is just a plant? Think again. Plants can deliver way more than just looking pretty. I'm here at the Plant Lovers Garden, which is part of Bord Bia's Easy Steps to Dream Gardens campaign at Bord Bia Bloom 2025. And I've got some really good, super powered plant picks thanks to the designer, Patricia Tyrrell.
Plants don't just have to look beautiful. It's very important that you're giving back something as well to nature, that nature actually loves your plants too. If you look here, there's lots of catmint, there's astrantia, different coloured astrantias. Astrantias tend to attract smaller pollinators, whereas we tend to notice the bigger pollinators more, so the bumblebees and the bees, which gravitate towards the catmint, and the alliums, the big purple ones. They're all beautiful to us, but they're also beautiful to nature, and I think it gives you that extra bonus of nature coming into the garden and an extra kind of buzz from having all those bees on your plants. Ferns are absolutely beautiful, really interesting throughout the year. So if you look at the ferns here, they really have a very vertical element. Like if you took a child's drawing and just drew it with a pen, they would be kind of like, they're almost like a fountain. And your eye is drawn to that. So if it was all kind of low ground cover, low, it wouldn't be as interesting to look at. But if you put in some verticals, not too many, it kind of catches your eye, and then your eye is drawn to that, and everything else is kind of like the background. An added bonus with a lot of plants is that they're very tactile. People often talk about sensory gardens, but I think an awful lot of plants are sensory, and that if you have a garden, then it is by its very nature sensory. And this is a plant that I have myself in my own garden. And every time I pass it, I have to just feel it and run my fingers through it. It's just so beautiful. And it also catches the light in the evening time. The sun shines into it and it really just seems to reflect the light. It's uplifting, really.
What's great about the Easy Steps to Dream Gardens campaign is that all of the designs come with full planting lists. Plus, the plants are really easily found at many garden centres. So not only is having something like this just possible, it really is achievable to have a garden like this in your own home. Search for Easy Steps to Dream Gardens, or instead, head across to bordbiabloom.com/dream gardens